I'm on my new bike. Took about 30 seconds to get my foot into the pedal. On the left you can see one of the islands in the middle of the river. I'm heading east. Just bought my bike from the shop. I think it's just on the other side of the road. And I'm just going to take it to Qidu Island for a spin, just to see how it goes, just get a bit of practice on it before I take it up some of the mountains. After being on the hardtail for so long, it's strange getting used to the gears. So yeah, one is up. That's a lovely day. Yesterday was pretty bleak and miserable. That's when I did the ride around the old part of town. Today's beautiful, quite warm. The main thing is, okay, after the hardtail, this is just so light. I just don't notice the bike at all. Yeah, I just feel like I can just start riding as just fast as I can. It's a little bit rough. Don't really notice that at all. Yeah. Just a few points. That was, just had to stop and walk my bike for a bit. That's just fantastic picking it up because it just doesn't weigh a thing. It's so light, and it's also just straight away, it's just so much quicker without any effort at all. Which is just really nice. Alright, let's see if I can get some speed here. It's making a noise, I don't like the sound of that. What's causing that noise? But that's just effortless. Just cycled a little bit further, getting used to the gears. Shouldn't be too hard to get used to that. It's just so effortless to you know, to ride. Yeah, this is the one. That's just the main thing. And yeah, when I got to go up and down stairs, it's just so, I just don't feel it at all. You know, and my mountain bike was pretty light for a mountain bike, but like there's just no comparison now. and just going at a speed. Yeah, I still haven't really been pushing it, but there's just no effort to get up to a speed and keep it. So this is the Giant Advanced Zero. Not the most expensive in its field. It's got carbon wheels which are tubeless, which is kind of nice. What else can I say about it? Yeah, it just feels so quick. Yeah, it just feels as comfortable as the mountain bike. But one thing I'm noticing is that I think for the long rides I'd really feel the mountain bike on my wrists. You know, there just only seems to be one way to be on the mountain bike, and after a couple of hours I'd really feel my wrists kind of feeling a little bit numb. I'm going over a bridge. It's got a slight grade, it's only a grade of 1.6, but there's just no effort. I mean, my heart rate isn't doing anything, and I'm going at about 20k an hour with no effort, slight gradient. It's just crazy. Oh, no way I could have done that easily, that fast on the mountain bike. So I'm going on to Qidu Island now. This is where all the road races go. It's a really nice smooth track. I mean, I'm going on about probably the nicest roads possible for a bike in Wenzhou. Yeah, so this is easy. I might be going on rougher rides through the wetlands going home. I'll see how that goes. Yeah, that is just crazy. So easy. Getting that sound still. I am travelling very, very light. I've just got a water bottle in the backpack Richard gave me, and that's about it. One muesli bar and a jacket. Yesterday, last couple of days ago, I did this in 35 minutes. I hope I can do it a bit faster. A lot more people riding today than the other day. It is odd that was a weekend. Getting this noise. I don't know what's causing it. Alright, 27k. this is my top gear. So it's not really built for speed. So I'm pretty sure a road bike would be flying past me. But yeah, still so much easier. And it's a bit, can't really compare my time today against the other day, because I was pretty tired, didn't have much energy, and I wasn't really trying. I wish I wasn't recording that sound. Heart rate 140. There's a few turns I've got to be careful of. Did find the hardtail easier to maneuver, but that just could have been because I'm used to it. Yeah, I still don't feel confident on this bike. Oh, I wish I had the cadence meter. The mountain bike would have just gone straight over that water. Anyhow, good. It just doesn't take any time at all to just get up to speed. Gradient at all. I'm pushing 29k, which I'd never do on the hardtail. Hey, 你好. So afraid. There goes my time. Hey, 好久不见. 对，今天的
So good.
呀，
缩鞋。
对对都。Crazy. I'm going 40k an hour. My heart rate's up a little bit, but still not that bad. It's just not sustainable. wish I had my bell. God, I was here on a Sunday. I would have been so much busier. Personal record, that's nice. So I'm 3 minutes ahead of my time on my hardtail. That includes a nice long talk with the guy. This is just totally insane. Hello. So that's pretty much what's caused my accident last time. Just some kids playing around. Yeah, I saw it and I expected it. But yeah, I think I just had poor posture. What's causing that sound?